there! Welcome to today's video where I, Oksana Kyrulo, a UX designer from JetSoftPro, a software development company, share with you some tips for designing e-commerce websites. The stakes are high, and a well-designed site can make or break those crucial site conversions. Let's take a moment to learn from the giants, Amazon and Walmart. Amazon is a one-stop e-commerce website to browse, search, get product details, read reviews, and purchase millions of products available from Amazon.com and other merchants. Walmart is an American multinational retail corporation that operates a chain of hypermarkets, discount department stores, and grocery stores. They set the standards for e-commerce, and we can gain valuable insights from their approaches. Amazon, the e-commerce powerhouse, and Walmart, the world's revenue giant. These are the go-to examples of what works in the online shopping realm. While searching for a product on an e-commerce website, there are a few factors that play a very crucial role. Placement of the search bar, presenting the search result, position of the filter, and filtering parameters. Alright, let's talk about the first point, search bars. Ever noticed how they are stretched out at the top of both Amazon and Walmart? That's no coincidence. Amazon prefers individual screens for your search results. Now Walmart takes a different route. In the first fold, you get a comparison of similar products. Unique, right? I'd like to show you now filters. They're a big deal. Amazon users tend to open more tabs going back and forth. Walmart, however, simplifies this with smart filter placement. Amazon's site may not be a masterpiece, but it's built on principles. Transparency, tangibility, trustworthiness, helpfulness, and personalization. However, it's not without its challenges. Amazon users face issues when applying multiple filters, and the arrangement of specifications can be a bit confusing. Time for a redesign. Let's enhance that user experience. See that search option in the filter? Yep, that's new, and we've arranged it alphabetically for better navigation. Sorting is now right above the product listing. No need for that extra click. Summing it up, a well-designed e-commerce site needs a visible search bar, a clear presentation of search results, strategic filter placement, and easily accessible sorting options. Learn from the big players, but never shy away from innovating for a superior user experience. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, give thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and happy designing!